Do you know? Machining centers are divided into two types, horizontal and vertical, but what are the differences between them? First of all, let's get to know the horizontal machining center. A CNC horizontal machining center's horizontal spindle allows chips to fall away naturally, minimizing chip-related downtime. Its advantages lie in the following aspects. 1. Improved efficiency with shorter setup times and higher throughput. 2. Space-saving design minimizes the need for multiple machines. 3. Cost-effective for high-volume production, but its disadvantages are high investment cost and difficult maintenance and large land occupation. Then, let's learn about the vertical machining center. In contrast, a CNC vertical machining center features a vertical spindle, rotating the cutting tool over a stationary table-mounted workpiece. VMECs efficiently perform cutting, drilling, and milling on metals, plastics, and wood, widely used in mold making, electronics, and defense industries. So, what is the difference between a horizontal machining center and a vertical one? The primary distinction between HAMCS and VMECs lies in the spindle orientation. While HAMCS use a horizontal work plane, VMECs employ a vertical one. HAMCS often save costs in high-volume production, whereas VMECs are more affordable for smaller operations. VMECs are versatile for various tasks, but may require more frequent setups compared to HAMCS. Both machines deliver high precision, but HAMCS have an edge in consistent large-scale production. All in all, how to choose a machining center? The answer is obvious. Choose HAMCS for high-volume production and VMECs for versatile, intricate work. Select based on your needs to optimize efficiency. If you don't know how to choose, you can contact us at WMT CNC. We will provide you with a solution based on your needs.